Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel with your girl Jessie. Today we're going to be finishing up these southern salmon patties. In the last video we talked about the ingredients for the mix, and today we're going to fry them up. Alright y'all, I remember these from when I was a child. I remember eating so many of these that I almost got sick. I love these salmon patties, y'all. You can even make these and put them in the freezer and then take them out and fry them up. I'm in love with these things, y'all. I made them all and I ate them all. I don't even know if my housemate had some. I think she did have some, but I love them. So I'm making these patties. First, I'm kind of making it into like a patty shape. Then I end up like pushing it into a ball and then flattening it out. Either way you want to do it, it's perfectly fine. I just do it the old-fashioned way of, you know, just making balls, just making balls out of the mixture and then flatten it. But if you want to take a scoop, like a measuring scoop, and measure out each patty, you can do that too. But this is just what I do. So I'm just going to speed through this and show you guys how I make my patties. Alright, so we're all done, and just in case you guys are wondering what I'm putting in my green beans, I have a little chicken base, garlic, onion, butter, and black pepper. So we're heading over to the stove now. We're going to put our green beans on and let those steam. And then we're going to put our oil and butter in a pan and let that heat up. And then once we heat it up, then we're going to get frying. Now when you're putting these in the pan, don't let the oil be too hot. If it's too hot, it's going to pop you and it's going to burn you. But if it's at the right temperature, you'll be able to put them in there and be safe. So be safe, be careful when you're putting these in your pan. Alright, so you're going to fry these babies on a medium heat until you start to see the brown forming on the bottom. Now, once you see the brown form on the bottom, you can take them and flip it over safely. Don't burn yourself like I did. And flip them over to the other side. And then do the same thing, cook it until you see the brown on the bottom. Once these are nice and golden brown color, then you can take them out the pan and put them on a paper towel lined plate so they can cool off and drain. Once everything's done, you can plate these babies up with your side dishes and enjoy. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.